Hey everyone, it's Miss Vaccaro. So today we're going to continue adding using groups of tens and ones. But before we begin, I want to have a little bit of a review. So let's take a look at these groups of ones over here. So I see two groups of 10, right? There's two red sticks. Each one of them has 10, meaning two groups of 10. So what number goes in this red box down here marked with tens? That's right, the number 2. Ignore my circle. The number 2. So now, if there's two groups of 10, how many ones are there? Remember, the ones are the little cubes that don't stick together. That's right, I counted 6 too. So the 6 goes in that ones box. Now, when we move down to our addition sentence, in the tens box, are we going to write the number 2 or are we going to write what 2 tens really is? That's right. We know that 2 tens is the number 20, right? We can count by tens. 10, 20. So 20 plus, how many ones are there? 6, that's right. 20 plus 6 is 26. Excellent. So let's move on. Here I have my friend Zafira, and she's thinking of a number that has 6 tens and 4 ones. What is her number? So let's take a look. Her number has 6 tens and 4 ones. Some of you may start thinking about what the number is right now, which is great, but let's look at it with a picture. So here I see 6 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 groups of 10. She has 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put this in our chart. How many tens is she thinking of? That's right, 6. And how many ones? You got it, 4. Now time for the addition sentence. What is 6 tens in our number form? That's right, it's 60. What about the ones? 4. What is 60 plus 4? 64. And remember, another way to remember this is the 6 in 64 matches the 6 in the tens place, and the 4 matches the 4 in the ones place. 60 plus 4 is 64. So 64 is the number Zafira is thinking of. But Noelle is thinking of a number that is 3 more than Zafira's number. So if we remember, Zafira's number is 64, but Noelle's number is 3 more than. So let's take a look at those words, more than. Does that mean Noelle's number is going to be bigger or smaller than Zafira's? That's right, it's going to be bigger, so we're going to be adding. So let's take a look. Zafira's number was 64. So here we see 6 groups of 10 and 4 ones, like we just did. Now, Noelle's number is 3 more. Does that mean we're adding 3 ones or 3 tens? We're going to add 3 ones. So here we have 3 ones. Now remember, these 3, Noelle's not thinking of the number 3. We know that his 3 are going to be added to Zafira's number. So let's do it down here in the chart. So how many groups of 10 are there? Did that change? Nope, we still have 6. But now let's take a look at the ones, because this time, not only do we have Zafira's 4 ones, oops, right? We also have Noelle's 3 ones. So we're going to count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what number is going to go in our blue box for ones? That's right, 7. So now we have 6 tens is what written as a number? That's right, 60. What about the ones now? 7. Excellent. So 60 plus 7 is 67. That's the number Noelle is thinking of. So another way we can do this is using a number line. So here I have a number line from the number 60 all the way to the number 70. So why do you think I put a letter Z at the number 64? That's right, for Zafira's name. So Zafira is thinking of the number 64. We know that Noelle's number is 3 more than 64. So we're going to do 3 jumps starting at the letter Z. So 1 jump to 65, 2 jumps to 66, and 3 jumps to 67. And that takes us to Noelle's number, 67. We started at 64. We did 1 jump, 2 jumps, 3 jumps, because his number is 3 more than, right? So now Noelle's number is 67.